the channel where we're flipping this old rundown office trailer building from 1960s, 1970s into a home. That's our plan right now. Stick around. But our Monday videos will probably be a little darker because we'll probably be doing a lot of the stuff in the dark. So we're hoping you guys want to, continue to watch, even if it's dark or if it's light. But tonight, I'm going to start trying to put up the insulation and a little bit of the drywall. So that was a big spider. I really don't like being over here at night because them spiders, boy, they be coming out. I'm sorry for insect lovers out there for what I just did. But I don't know what else to do. I don't want to let them want to run around and come get me. So, yeah. I'm sorry. Pick it up. Oh, you little puny woman. Yeah, just agree. Her max is like 10 pounds. And she's about to try to help me hold this up. You remember, you didn't see, but the previous video, she was talking about how, oh, hurry up. I'm holding this up with a broom. It's too tall for me. This is way taller, okay? She's going to be like, I can't reach it. And I'm like, look here. It's cracking my neck. Oh, Lordy.
You okay? You might want to get off of there.
Oh, I was scared to fall off the ladder outside. I about fell off the ladder on the inside. On the smaller ladder too, boy. And that would have broke my neck. Because look at that. See, I can't even speak. Matey. But, that would have hurt. And all I could say was, oh, Lord. Because I didn't know what else to do. What happened?
Okay.
Until we get the actual playroom.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Because that's going to be more like a hallway eventually.
It's there pretty much. I just got to put some on the end. This is hard. There you go. But what else?
That is not our music. That is a car or a motorcycle driving by. Just to let you guys know that.
We take it easy, but not that easy.
We don't listen to
Secular.
that kind of music anyway.
Secular
music.
We'll see what we got. There's Sally Sue. Her name ain't Sally Sue.
Thank you for...
Her name's Sandra. I just want to say this, y'all. I don't think we ever formally introduced ourselves. Okay? I'm Justin. And she is Sandra. Okay? So, the more you watch us, the more y'all subscribe, the more views that y'all bring in. I want y'all to know us personally. So, we're not just Shalom Meadows. And we have 3 kids. So, we're not just doing this for old hubby and wifey. We're doing this for old hubby, wifey, ma, pa in the chitlins. Lord, please help. That's way too far up. I just wanted to say too, you know, since if y'all want to get to know more about us, you know, just leave some comments and ask some questions and stuff like that. But we're gonna wait until we get, you know, some more people so we can do a Q&A. You know, maybe do a Q&A, you know, later on, you know, but we want to get quite a few more subscribers, you know, before we do that. But I do appreciate the people who are watching and the people who are subscribing and the people who are liking, because whenever you like, it lets YouTube know that the video is being seen and it sends it out to other people. It helps the algorithm, you know, so please, you know, give a like. I mean, I hope you guys are liking it. My wild and crazy self. It's not a show. That's really me. Okay, so I'm not just doing it when the camera gets cut on. I mean, my wife sometimes, you know, is like, you is crazy. And I'm like, I know, I was born that way. You know, so like I said before in the last video, I think I might have had ADHD, you know, but since I'm getting older, the H is dropping off a little bit, so it's a half D, you know, attention deficit halfway hyper disorder. But yeah, so I just wanted to say that some things about ourselves, you know, just, you know, our names, because I haven't really ever said our names, you know, I've just always been like, you know, Shalom Meadows. And if you read the description, it tells our names. So I know y'all might be thinking, if you read the description, you know, of the channel, what the channel is about, which remember the channel is about, so far right now, the channel is about flipping an old rundown office trailer from 1960s and 70s into our home. Remember? Husband and wife and 3 kids. Not just flipping it just to have a home. No, that we're trying to make it a home. And we, you know, one day want to tell the kids that, you know, what they grew up in, mom and daddy had a part in fixing it up. You know, so that way when they get older, they could be like, well, maybe I want to build a house. You know, maybe my daughter be like, I want a husband that wants to build our house. You know, or she wants to build a house herself, of course. You know, we don't want you guys to think, oh, we're just coming on here to make a show. You know, we're like we said, you know, a lot of this stuff we've never done. You know, and hopefully you can see in our mistakes and our mishaps and our scaredness of bugs, you know, whatever, that you're not alone. You know, you're not alone. So, like I said, you know, we love you guys. We might not know you personally. You leave in a comment something about you, you know. So, I mean, you know, we want to get to know you guys because we want to make you our friends. Not our fans, not just a subscriber, but our friends and family. We'll make you our friends and family. You can join alone. I apologize that we didn't get a whole lot done in this video. Well, the reason being I want to let y'all know is because if you can't tell by my shirts, it's been a week long because, you know, we come over here later at night, you know, after we've done work, you know, we put the kids to bed. As we've told y'all, you know, we stay in 2 houses. So the mother-in-law's over there. She's staying in that house. So we don't leave the kids by themselves. Don't think that. You know, so it's our first Monday video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we're going to be putting up 2 videos a week, dropping on Mondays and Wednesdays. So, hey, till we see y'all guys next time, Shalom, y'all.